Hello cuties, it's that Jess here, and today I have got another unboxing video for you guys. So today I'll be unboxing the second full album from Twice, which is Eyes Wide Open, and this is the story version. The reason I have this one is because I have pre-ordered the retro version as well, but this one matches the More and More album I have, so I thought it would be really cute to have a little pair going on. Oh wow, I got the CD with all of them. Oh, that's so amazing. So this is the CD, and I got the one with all 9 members, so I'm really happy about that, because I couldn't choose which member I wanted, so I'm so pleased I got this one. Now we'll have a look at some of the little bits and pieces that came with the album. So first we got this sticker sheet. Let's have a look at the photo cards. We've got a Geo. So we've got Jaeyoung, Nayeon and Momo in their retro outfits. Chaeyoung, Nayeon and Chewie. Here we have the pre-order bonus poster. And this is the story version to match the album. And then I got a few extras from the seller I bought from. So I got 2 I Can't Stop Me Eyes Wide Open clear cards. So I've got a Mina in her style version outfit and a Geo in her story version outfit. Both really pretty. A More and More sticker. A Jungyeon photo sticker from Feel Special. Got the Most card here, which comes with all the albums for Eyes Wide Open. And here is the photo card set for the story version. So that is the unboxing for the Eyes Wide Open story version. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to do an unboxing for when I get the retro version, which probably won't be till the start of December. But please let me know if you do want to see that, because I will definitely do one of those videos. I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you next time. Goodbye.